thank you, Sam I am. That was a great book. I mean, I love Dr. Seuss, but this book, it's so good, and especially the green eggs and ham. That green eggs and ham is so delicious. Oh, yeah. All right. I'm going to give you some little of fun Easter. So this book, since of the SMBPA, he's very busy right now. This is his favorite book of all time. Ever since he was a little kid, when he was in the other school, he loved green eggs and ham. He loves it, loves it, loves it. He loves it all the time. He loves green eggs and ham. And I think he also liked probably The Grinch or probably something else. But this the green eggs and ham book is SMBPA's favorite book of all time. So that's a little fun hint. All right. Now, what should I do for today? Hello, Jello. What the? I am the cat in the hat. How about that? You're a cat wearing a hat. Yup. Why are you? Everything I must say must be a rhyme, or that'd be a crime. Where is this going? It's a pain in my ass, but makes me some cash. Cash, but I don't have any money. I mean, the money goes to King today, but it's more like a curse. I guess I have no one to play with. I mean, Waddle Dee is in school right now, so let's go play, all right? Play? How about we make some clay? Sorry about that, but we don't have any no sodas, but we got some lemon. Lemon? How about we teach a lesson? I don't know anything about rhymes, but I think that's kind of correct. How about I grab some items, and how about you can rhyme them? Sure. All right. All right. I got some of the 3 items. I'm holding one right now. So, how do you rhyme with egg? Egg? Well, give me some of your legs. Okay. How about mayonnaise? Mayonnaise! Yep. Only on Tuesdays! I think that rhymes. I think. How about yogurt? Yogurt. 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 Yoga. How about we go do some yoga? Yoga. I guess so. I mean, I really think we should stop doing all these rhymes. How about we play something fun? Well, that's not even a rhyme. Oh. What the? Egg, mayonnaise, yogurt. Are you doing all right? Yeah, I'm doing just great fine. Okay, that's fine, but how about this book? Oh, green eggs and ham. Well, the guy over there in the photo, he committed a blow, like, pew, all that stuff. Why? Because his son being a piece of shit, Well, I didn't know they're father and son. I know! Bro! Okay. Did you have a bathroom? Oh, the bathroom's in the hallway. Yeah, the bathroom. I have to go to Popeyes. That's me. Oh, God. Hold on, let me put this down right here. I could just do it. I could just do it already. I can't do this shit. I'm done. Oh, Father. Oh, what will you do, Dr. Seuss? Oh, fuck. How about Glock? This is not good. Can Hat, are you doing all right? I'll leave you alone. What will Dr. Seuss do? I'm just a piece of shit. I can't even rhyme for fuck. Where's the gun? Where's the gun? Where's the gun? No. I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna do it. I have no purpose to live. I just want to be with my father, the Dr. Seuss. I mean, everyone gives a fuck about the red fish, two fish, blue fish, forked fish, and they care about the one fucking the Grinch, the Grinch. And what about the horn hell hoof? Yep, great. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Oh, yep, you can do it. You can do it. Just pull the trigger, and all this can be over. All of this can be over. All of this can be over. All right. That should be good for my collection. Good stuff. Who graduated this year?
In New Jersey, Union, East Brunswick, and Wayne. In New York, Comac, Long Island, and Bensonhurst, Brooklyn.